years ago today, the World Health Organization declared COVID a global pandemic. Today, we look back at this milestone through the eyes of a man who was one of the first patients in Southern California to get what was then called novel coronavirus.
And now Eyewitness News reporter Denise Dodori is here now on this anniversary, and she spoke with LA County's first COVID patient who was given just a 1% chance of survival.
Oh, yes, you know his story, an amazing one. Greg Garfield spent 64 days at Providence St. Joseph's Medical Center in Burbank, and most of those days fighting for his life. It was there that he was known as Patient Zero, and we caught up with Greg and one of the doctors who was part of the medical team that worked to save his life.
Hey.
When ER doctor Stephen Kishineff met Greg Garfield 4 years ago, it was under far different circumstances. Dr. Kishineff immediately called pulmonary care specialist Dr. Dan D.
And he said, Dan, we got our first COVID patient. My heart kind of skipped a beat and I kind of took a big gulp.
Greg was COVID-19 patient zero at Providence St. Joseph's Medical Center. On March 11th, when the World Health Organization declared COVID a global pandemic, Greg was already fighting for his life.
Spent 64 days here. The first 31 days I was asleep.
He suffered complete organ failure and was given a 1% chance of survival. You may recall Greg's story. In February 2020, he got COVID during a European ski trip with friends and family. After he was admitted, Southern California started to shut down. Greg's world was changing fast, and he had no idea what was happening.
It's definitely a Rumpelstiltskin moment.
To paraphrase Oppenheimer, the COVID pandemic changed the world.
Dr. D recalls how the 4 years dragged on.
The first 2 years were pure hell. The end of 2020, I'm shocked I even got through it. We were just putting out fires. By 2021, it started to lighten up, and maybe we could kind of see the end of it by the end of 2021. By 2022, 2023, life slowly started to come back to normal.
When Greg left the hospital, it was a high point for the staff. He hopes everyone remembers what happened 4 years ago. As for him, he remains eternally grateful.
I'm here in the most healthy way possible. I'm 100% internally. I'm the luckiest person alive.
He is, and today Greg speaks to groups, hoping his story will inspire them. And he knows so many people who were also devastated by COVID, but says lessons learned about resilience can be used by us all. He says, no matter your story, look to what really matters in life and embrace it. Denise Dodori.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel. And download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.